What is the main purpose of cataloging in a library? Organizing and providing access to materials. Which of the following is not a type of library catalog? Alphabetical catalog. What is an entry in cataloging? A record of a library item. Which cataloging code is followed internationally? AACR 2. AACR stands for the Anglo American Cataloging Rules. Which of the following is not a part of the bibliographic record? That is barcode. Mark stand for the machine readable cataloging. Which cataloging entry is considered the main entry? Author entry. In AACR2, how many areas are there in the bibliographic description? That is 8 area. Which field in mark contains the title information? That is 245. Who developed the concept of the dictionary catalog? That is Charles Cutter. Which of the following is a physical form of the catalog? Card catalog. Which field in mark hold information about publication details? 260. What does OPEC stand for? Online Public Access Catalog. Which cataloging code preceded AACR 2 ALA rules? ISBD stands for the International Standard Bibliographic Description. Which punctuation marks are commonly used in ISBD? That is slash, colons, and the semicolons. The unit of catalog is a document. Which rule in AACR 2 governs the choice of access points? That is rule number 21. Main entry and added entry concepts were introduced by Cutter. A bibliographic description includes full details like title, author, publisher, and edition. Which tool help user search a library catalog via the internet? That is OPEC. Which catalog system use field tags, indicators, and the subfield codes? That is MARC. In cataloging, uniform title is used for the works published under different title. Which entry provides a secondary point of access in a catalog? Added entry. A corporate author is an organization considered as an author. In AACR 2, Rule 0.24 deals with the corporate authorship. The concept of chain procedure in subject cataloging was introduced by the S.R. Ranganathan. Which of the following is not a catalog format? That is ISBN. In Mark 21, the field 100 is used for the main author.